Hey there, friends. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Parker from theloopylamb.com, and thank you so much for stopping by today. I am popping in just to share a very special crochet along announcement. Join me on January 14th as I start hosting a year-long Amigurumi crochet along. We will begin our adventure together by starting with a beautiful Amigurumi doll, and the remainder of the year we'll be crocheting enough toys, garments, and accessory projects to fill an entire advent calendar. All of the projects will be done before the end of November, and you'll have plenty of time to gift it to your desired recipient. All of the garments are removable, they'll be mix and match, so the entire project, when put together, will result in hours of fun for your kids who will be receiving this Advent calendar. I can't wait to get started on this with you, and if you are excited as well, I hope that you'll let me know in the comment section below and hit that like button. And our friends at We Crochet have also generously sponsored multiple giveaways for us throughout the year. And I should also mention that we will have the patterns available in both the written and video tutorial formats. So no matter which way you like to crochet, we'll have both formats available for you. The pattern release schedule will be available as of January 7th on the blog, theloopylamb.com. And I will also mention that all of the projects will remain a secret until they're released. So on January 7th, you'll just see a project release schedule, so you'll know which dates the projects will become available for you to start working on them. I hope that you're excited and as excited as I am to get started, and I'm wishing everybody a safe and happy holiday season. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.